ang nursing student, pag pumupunta sa hospital, ang dinadala lang niya is yung kaalaman na nakuha sa classroom. Pero in fact, yung kanyang experience is not honed, except when they go to the hospital and they actually talk to a patient and work with a patient.
Sa pamamagitan ng kanilang virtual laboratory, parang true to life ang experience ng mga nursing students dito. May ilang kwarto na gayang-gaya ang mga totoong department ng ospital, gaya ng nursing unit, emergency room, at nursery room. Bukod dito, meron din silang mga human patient simulator, so HPS, na kung saan ang mga dummies na ginagamit ay may sari-saring sakit at may pakiramdam.
That mannequin is really life-size. They can actually talk. Pwedeng i-program na mag-talk or magsalita and mag-respond doon sa ginagawa ng nurse.
Si Hal, isang meal simulator o dummy na maaaring mai-program sa mga acute problems gaya ng shock, heart attack, high blood pressure at kung ano-ano pa.
How are you feeling?
My heart is beating really fast.
It is.
My heart is trying to jump out of my chest.
Si Noel naman, isang pregnant woman dummy na maaaring i-program na manganganak.
Lahat ho ng responses ni HAL at saka lahat ng human patient simulators are controlled through this small computer. Dito ho namin mailalagay kung ano yung vital signs or yung blood pressure, yung heart rate, respiratory rate.
Sa pamamagitan ng mga HPS, maaaring matuto ang mga nurse in a safe and no-harm situation.